What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a quick little video on paintless dent removal in the hood of this 1983 Porsche 944. When I used to live with my parents, they had a tree that had a lot of acorns and they used to fall. You could be inside the house and sitting in the living room and all of a sudden you'd hear it and it would hit the car. So I have a bunch of those. I'm doing it at night because I figured it would be easier to see. So check it out. Oh, they all fell off. Thing right there. There's a couple others. Some right there, right there. These are all from acorns. And do this sort of quickly. I'll remove these pretty close to it because it's just a small ding. It's not a big dent or anything. There we go. I'm going to apply a little bit of this to this. There we go. And that one's gone too. This actually works really awesome. I'm really happy with it. Just apply a little bit of the glue. Position. It's little, so I'm going to put these close to it. Do that. So I'm actually really impressed with this. The ding that I had was right there, and there's just a little. You can probably see it right there, just a little bit. But there was actually a pretty good sized dent, and I'm actually pulling it out pretty good right now. So I suck these on there, and I'll pull one of these out one at a time. Oh, they all fell off. All right, well, I guess that didn't work as planned.